going to be going through horizontal string scales, but in thirds. Now, I've already done a lesson on horizontal string scales in general, and they're a great way to kind of break out of the box and not just play scale patterns all the time. Just a different way to look at the neck can really open things up. What's great about doing it in thirds is that it kind of tests you, right? Because you have to kind of be thinking about not only the next note in the scale, but also kind of, where everything falls in line with one another. So I'm going to be going through everything today in the key of E, C, and G, just to kind of give you a couple different examples on some couple different strings. So first I'm going to be going through it in E, and regularly our horizontal string scale would be open, second, fourth, fifth, seventh, ninth, 11th, 12th. That's all on the first string. Now in thirds, that's going to be open, fourth, second fret, fifth, again all on the first string, fourth, seventh, fifth, ninth, 7th, 11th, 9th, 12th, 11th, 14th, and then end on the root note again, which is E on the first string. What's great about the open string scales is that you'll find that it's the same regardless of, kind of what key you're in, as long as you're on an open, note right there. So I go to E on the sixth string, it's actually going to be the exact same. Open, fourth, second, fifth, fourth, seventh, fifth, ninth, 7th, 11th, 9th, 12th, 11th, 14th, 12th. Again, ending on the root there. Now if we go to a key like C, it's a little bit trickier because we don't necessarily have an open string that goes that's tuned to C. So what we have is I'm going to go to C on the second string right there. And typically my horizontal string scale would be first, again on the second string, third, fifth, sixth, 8th, 10th, 12th, 13th, which are the 13th fret and first fret. They're both C's, so we want to start and end on the root there. So now in thirds, this would be first, fifth, third, sixth, fifth, 8th, 6th, 10th, 8th, 12th, 10th, 13th, 12th, 15th, and then that 13th fret or the C again. Now just because we know one key has an open string doesn't mean we can only do it on the open string. So if we go to a key like G, I can do it on the third fret, which would be third, fifth, 7th, 8th, 10th, 12th, 14th, 15th. Again, that is just a normal horizontal scale. Now when I apply thirds to that, it's going to go third, 7th, 5th, 8th, 7th, 10th, 8th, 12th, 10th, 14th, 12th, 15th, 14th, 17th, 15th. And again, that's all on the first string there. Or I can do it open, which is going to be on the third string, fourth, second, fifth, fourth, seventh, fifth, ninth, 7th, 11th, 9th, 12th, 11th, 14th, and then end on that 12th fret right there. So there we go. I hope this helps kind of break things out of the box for you and gives you a different way to look at scales and to play them horizontally. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe, and to comment any questions or comments below. Be sure to check out Garret'sGuitarLessons.com as well.